So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in edit power plan. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you're going to click on power options, and then you're going to click on choose what the power buttons do. And then you're going to click on change settings that are currently unavailable. You want to make sure that you have turn on fast startup ticked, so make sure this is on, and then click on save changes. Now for the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in task manager. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you're going to click on startup apps. You want to make sure that all the apps and programs that you do not want to start when your computer turns on is disabled. So for example, if I don't want Discord to start up when my computer turns on, I'm going to click on Discord and then click on disable, and then the status will change to disabled. Now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters. Then you want to right click on your graphics card and click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers installed. Now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator, and then click on yes. Now once you're on this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now, and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. We can run it in the background as you complete the next steps in the video. Now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates and do the updates the computer may have. Now for the last step, you're going to head over to search again and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator, and then click on yes. Now once you're on this, you're going to type in chkdsk /f/r and click on enter. Then when this comes up, you want to type in Y and then click on enter again. Now you want to restart your computer, and then it's going to run this final scan for you, and then from then on, the problem should be fixed.